Before buying a 4K security camera system, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Reolink Smart 5MP System. First up is the Reolink Smart 5MP 8CH Home Security Camera System. Priced at $389.98, what caught my attention was the impressive 5MP HD resolution, which honestly makes a big difference in clarity. If you want reliable surveillance that helps you capture details, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 5MP resolution means you can actually zoom in and identify a face from 30 feet away, which is crucial if something happens. Plus, it has advanced IR lights allowing you to see up to 100 FT in the dark. With smart detection features for people, animals, and vehicles, you'll get alerts only when it counts, minimizing the annoyances of false alerts from bugs or leaves. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to take your time and follow the instructions, it's totally manageable, and honestly, the clarity and features you get make it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet effective solution for home security without sacrificing quality. Skip this one if you need a completely wireless system, as this one does need some cabling. Now, if the installation complexity of the Reolink Smart 5MP bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with an even higher resolution. Product number 2, Reolink 4K Security System. Next, we have the Reolink 4K Security Camera System, priced at $1,099.99. This one grabbed my attention because it comes with 8 cameras and a robust 4TB HDD for 24/7 recording. If you're serious about security, this system is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The person, vehicle, and animal detection features help filter out unnecessary alerts, so you only get notified when it really matters. With a rating of 4.4 stars from 1,500 reviews, it's clear people trust this system. Now, a downside that some users mentioned is the lack of Wi-Fi capabilities. This is a wired system, which means you'll need to run cables. But here's the thing, wired systems often provide more reliable connectivity and video quality, so it may not be a deal breaker for those focused on security. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive and high-quality security system that can cover larger areas. Skip this one if you're looking for a completely wireless solution, as this setup requires installation. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're looking for something budget-friendly yet effective. Product number 3, ANNKE 3K Lite System. The ANNKE 3K Lite Wired Security Camera System comes in at $269.99, and honestly, it's a game changer for those on a budget. The 8 cameras provide solid coverage, and you'll love its smart dual light feature. If you want a reliable system without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This system features AI human and vehicle detection, which means it can accurately alert you to real threats without bothering you with false alarms from passing shadows. It also includes a 1 TB hard drive for reliable 24/7 recording, so you won't miss anything. With a 4.4 star rating from 4,500 reviews, it's a crowd favorite. Now, some users have pointed out that the camera quality isn't as high as others on this list. Here's the thing though, at this price point, it's a solid option for basic security needs, especially if you're not dealing with high-risk areas. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable solution that still delivers peace of mind. Skip this one if you need higher resolution footage, as this system is more about basic security functionalities. Now, if you're looking for something that balances high resolution with a robust system, the next one could be exactly what you need. Product number 4, Reolink 4K Turret Cameras. Next, let's check out the Reolink 4K Security Camera System with turret cameras, priced at $649.99. This system caught my eye because it combines the reliability of Reolink's technology with high 4K resolution. If you want a balance of quality and functionality, this might be worth your time. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features smart detection for people, vehicles, and animals, which helps reduce unnecessary alerts, making your surveillance experience much smoother. With a solid 4.3-star rating from 1,000 reviews, users appreciate its quality. Now, a drawback some have mentioned is the limited integration with smart home devices. Here's the thing, if you're focused on standalone security without needing smart home integration, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and high-quality security system without bells and whistles. Skip this one if you heavily rely on smart home integrations for your security setup. And finally, if you're looking for a system with flexible features and great performance, this last product on my list might just catch your eye. Product number 5, Reolink 5MP Home Security System. Finally, we have the Reolink 8CH 5MP Home Security Camera System, priced at $499.98. This is an excellent choice if you want a blend of affordability and functionality. With 6 cameras included, it gives you ample coverage without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a reliable home security system, this is worth a serious look. The 5MP resolution provides clear visuals, and the night vision capabilities allow you to see up to 100 ft in the dark. The smart detection features help filter alerts, so you only get notified for significant events. With a 4.6-star rating from 577 reviews, it's highly rated by users. Now, a common complaint is that the setup can be a bit challenging for complete beginners. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to put in a little effort for a secure environment, it pays off big time. This is perfect for you if you want solid performance at a decent price. Skip this one if you're looking for something with easy plug-and-play functionality, as it might require a bit more setup than you'd like. And there you have it. Each of these systems has its strengths and weaknesses, so it really comes down to what you value most in a security system. To wrap it up, we looked at 5 impressive 4K security camera systems. The Reolink Smart 5MP offers great clarity at an affordable price. The Reolink 4K delivers high-end performance but at a premium. The Anke 3K Lite is perfect for budget-conscious buyers. The Reolink 4K Turret offers high resolution with solid features. And the Reolink 5MP is a reliable option for those wanting a balance of price and function.